some sufficient time so that we could really do justice, and we could really do justice to the people who have sent us here to do a specific duty of, welcoming the good decisions of the government and criticizing the wrongdoings of the government, sir. Sir, so starting from roads and buildings, sir. So demand, no, I have seen my watch, sir. So the demands for grant for roads and building department is rupees 5,904 crores in the next financial year budget. So the regional ring road RRR envisages connecting two national highways, one on the northern side and other on the southern side, with total length of 348 kilometers with an outlay of 26,502 crores, sir. So the northern road from Sangareddy, Tupran, Gajwel and Chotuppal, and southern road runs from Chotuppal, Shadnagar and Sangareddy. Initially, it will be a 4-lane highway initially and expanded to 8 lanes. The state has to bear 50% of the land acquisition, road and rupees 1,525 crores has been allocated for the purpose in the current year's budget and a similar amount in the next year's budget. Sir, I would like the government to announce the time frame for the completion of the crucial project with central assistance, sir. So construction of a camp office cum residential residence complexes for the MLAs has been taken up in 104 assembly constituencies across the state, and all these works are completed, sir. However, the work of these camp office residence complexes are not taken up in 15 assembly constituencies in Hyderabad districts since sites are not finalized, sir. Sir, I would like to point out that the government land parcels are available in each of the 15 constituencies in twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad and the GHMC limits. Suitable sites can be chosen for locating the camp offices, sir. I would once again urge the government to take up the work of camp offices for city MLAs without further delay, sir. Due to the persistent effort of the state government, the central government has finally granted approval for a long pending construction of Mamnoor Airport in Warangal, sir. Sir, I may recall that the state government proposed 6 regional airports as Mamnoor, Basantnagar, Jakranpalli, Adilabad, Devara Kadra and Palwancha. However, the consultancy agency, Airport Authority of India, has indicated feasibility only for Mamnoor, Jarkampalli and Adilabad, and reported that the airport at Basantnagar, Devarakadra and Palwancha are not feasible, sir. Sir, I would request the R&B Minister, Mr. Komatreddy Saab, to clarify on these new airports, sir. Sir, now coming to the second subject, sir. This is about the commercial tax and administration, sir. The commercial tax department is a major revenue earning department of the state. It contributes about 63% of the state's own tax revenue, SOTR, sir. So the department and its administration, the GST Act, the Central Tax Act and Telangana Value Added Tax, apart from Professional Tax Act, sir. However, the commercial tax department tabled the demand and the outcome document consisting of only 9 and 4 pages, sir. सिर्फ 9 पेजेस, सर. इतना बड़ा डिपार्टमेंट. दिस इज व्हाई आई से, सर, कि अगर हम डिस्कशन भी नहीं करेंगे ना, सर, तो थोड़े दिन में ये बुक्स भी टेबल करना खत्म हो जाते, सर. सो दैट इज व्हाई आई एम वेरी पर्टिकुलर कि आई हैव टू स्पीक जस्ट फ्यू सेंटेंसेस आल्सो, बट आई मेक श्योर कि आई शुड स्पीक ऑन एवरी सब्जेक्ट, सर. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सर. अब आप देखिए, सर, बजट का हमको दिए, पहले वो बुक प्रिंट करके देते थे. अब क्या कर रहे हैं, सर? बुक्स भी नहीं दे रहे, सर. खाली एक पेन ड्राइव कैसा दे दे रहे हैं, सर. ठीक है, पैसे बचा रहे हैं, अच्छा है, बचाइए, फार्मर्स को दीजिए, कल्याणा लक्ष्मी में गोल्ड को दीजिए, सही है. बट यू नो, सर, व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट कि वी हैव टू गो, लाइक, यू नो, देयर इज अ फेमस प्रिंटिंग प्रेस इज देयर, सर, Pragati printing press is there. So my team and myself, I go there and I request them, और हम हमारे पैसों से books print करा रहे हैं, सर, पूरे. So now you see, sir. Sir, this is not a really healthy sign that is happening, sir. Sir, I do not have any problem sitting till 12 o'clock, sir. But sir, every human, हर इंसान का एक focus time होता, sir. Concentration का time होता, और उसकी तवज्जो का टाइम होता है. सर, अगर मैं 12 बजे तक बैठता हूं, तो क्या फोकस रहेगा, क्या कंसंट्रेशन रहेगा, सुनने वाला क्या सुनेगा सर, देखने वाला क्या देखेगा, और उसके बाद दूसरे दिन पेपर में क्या आएगा सर. अर्लियर सर वी यूज्ड टू हैव सर 8:30 the assembly used to start, and 1.5 hours 2 hours we used to finish the question hour, half an hour 0 hour, and then we used to have a short discussion, 3 or 4 discussions, and after that we used to have then again we used to go for demands and all. 2 बजे खत्म करते थे सर. If required for the government bills we used to meet again at 4 o'clock. एक 10 बजे तक चलता था, 9 बजे तक. बट आज क्या है सर, सुबह जो शुरू हो जा रहा है सर, चल रहा है रात के 12 बजे तक. सर what is important is sir the focus, the concentration, the importance. अब ऐसा लंबा चलेगा तो who will have the interest sir? And now we see sir, what is it sir, only 9 and 4 pages respectively sir. While the demand spells or the demand for grants for the department, the outcome budget contains just one table sir, just one table on the revenue performance, that is the year-on-year gross revenue earned by the department. It does not give any details of the budget estimate, revised estimate and actual receipt on the GST, CST and VAT Act. कोई डिटेल नहीं है सर. There is no detail sir, GST, CST and VAT. Sir, it is a very, very important role which the legislatures play and the House plays, sir. But the role of legislature and the role of assembly is getting reduced, sir. Sir, it is very sad, sir. To review the functioning of the major department, one has to have a glance through various budget volumes, such as Volume 2, Detailed Estimate of Revenue Receipt, Volume 3/4, Revenue, and Volume 6, Budget in Brief, sir. Sir, apart from the GST collections, the Commercial Tax Department collection under the VAT, State VAT Acts from petroleum products, gas, and diesel and petrol, the liquor products aggregate to rupees 29,941 crores in the year 23-24 financial year, and the budget estimate and revised estimate for the current year is rupees 33,209 crores. The budget estimate for the year 2025 and 26 is rupees 37,205 crores. Whenever the retail price of gas, petrol and diesel go up, the Telangana ministers blame the central government and seeks rollback in central levies on petroleum products. Sir. Similarly, the BJP ministers and leaders from the state quite frequently ask the state government to reduce the high levies of VAT on the petroleum products. Even as the Congress and the BJP leaders cross words on taxes levied by the central and state government on petroleum product, the people are suffering, sir. A huge burden not only due to these higher prices, but the rise in prices of all commodities due to higher transport charges, sir. Sir, I urge, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, I urge the Commercial Tax Department to come up with more detailed data and information on its performance in demand note and the outcome budget, sir. It is very important. They need to come out, sir. Sir, अगर details नहीं देंगे, तफसीलात नहीं देंगे, so what are we going to see and what are we going to discuss? Fine, sir. But still, this house has many members who read, who study, who do homework, and who come prepared for a discussion, sir. It is not that the entire house, nobody is interested. No, everybody comes with the interest of studying, doing homework, and having a healthy debate, sir. So I request, sir, that more details should be published, sir. And मैं ये भी कहूँगा कि महंगाई बढ़ते जा रही है, महंगाई बढ़ रही है, पेट्रोल, डीजल, गैस की कीमतें बढ़ती जा रही हैं. वादे तो बहुत किए जाते हैं, लेकिन कोई कुछ कम नहीं करता है. एक गरीब का जीना मुश्किल हो चुका है. आखिर एक गरीब जिए तो कैसे जिएगा? Sir, now coming to Central Excise Administration, sir. The state excise is the second big source of revenue to the state government, sir. However, following the footsteps of Commercial Taxes Department, the Excise Department also provides a very brief. इसमें भी अगर when we see, sir, it's a very brief 5-page demand note and a 5-page outcome budget on its activities, sir. Sir, I'm in this house from last 26 years, sir. लेकिन ये excise administration पे ऐसी किताब आती थी, sir. क्योंकि sir, this is the second big source of revenue of the state government, sir. Second, और उसको अब आप देखिए sir, only 5 pages, sir. 5-page demand note and 5-page outcome budget. Why are you, why I don't understand. Sir, why are they hiding the other details? And why are they not publishing all the other details? Why are they not doing the complete detailed report being tabled, sir, in demand? Why are they not doing it? This is not a healthy sign, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, you should take a note, sir. मैं आपसे दरख्वास्त कर रहा हूं कि आप इसका नोट लेकर आपके ऑफिस से ये सारे लोगों को लेटर्स देना, सर, कि तफसील देने के लिए. सर, whether one reads or not, but we should not lose the practice, parliamentary practices, sir. Sir, again we have to, sir, isme again what we had to do was we have to refer, sir, because I know. So यहाँ पे 5 पेज है, नहीं तो कहीं और मिलेगा. So I had to go and refer to the volume 2, sir, and volume 3/4 and volume 6 of the budget document to cull out all the data and the performance of this department, sir. जबकि मुझे यहाँ पे नहीं मिला, but I have to go. I had to go in the budget document, sir. Fine, sir. I know that I had to go there, so I went there, sir. So the budget estimate for the next financial year is, the state excise revenue received total at rupees 20,299 crores in the year 2023 and 24, and the budget estimate revised estimate for the current year is rupees 25,618 crores. The budget estimate for the next financial year is rupees 27,623 crores, sir. Both the Telangana and AP are competing for #1 slot as the state with highest consumption of liquor, leaving Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Bihar and the southern neighboring far behind, sir. Far behind, sir. Sir, I am tempted to say that the name of the department, sir, Prohibition and Excise Department. Sir, ये कहाँ जाता है, sir? Prohibition and I really don't know, sir. Prohibition है कहाँ, sir, इसमें? Prohibition कहाँ है, sir? So I have always been saying, sir, you know, Mr. Moore, and it should be renamed as Excise Department, sir. Excise Department. I hope the government will take a note on this, sir. Prohibition तो है ही नहीं, sir. इतना ज़्यादा second highest revenue आता है government को इससे. पी रहे और पिला रहे हैं, सर. और इलेक्शन का टाइम आता है, छोटे इलेक्शंस आते हैं, बड़े इलेक्शन, सर, इतना कंजम्पशन बढ़ जाता है, हर कोई पैसे बांटता है.